Hi, this is a quick tutorial on getting set up with Zoom and your iPad as a whiteboard. Now, the first way you'd want to try it is to get into your Zoom meeting and share your screen. And you can do this just by opening Zoom just with your name at the top and starting a meeting with yourself. You're the only participant in this meeting to test things out, test your backgrounds, test all kinds of things on Zoom. So I'm going to go to share screen. And your first way that you want to try setting up your iPad is one of these two methods up here with a cable or via Airplay. Now, if you run into problems, there's a lot of YouTube videos on how to do it with Airplay that are great and it should work perfectly for you. But if you were like me and you run into problems using this method, and this doesn't work either for you, you'll want to try this next method, which I actually found works really, really well. And it's basically just logging into your meeting with your iPad as yourself, turning off your audio, and then using the whiteboard function on the iPad, and you'll see how that works. Okay, so first things first, I'll share my meeting ID, copy this ID up here, and you have all your information about your meeting in this corner. Open up your iPad and put join. So here's my iPad, I'm going to put join a meeting, and I can paste that code in there and join the meeting, and you'll see I should pop up here on this screen pretty quick. There I go. So now it recognized me. I don't have to go into a wait room or anything, and I'm a co-host now because this is my account. One thing that it'll ask you, you see this warning menu come up, it says, do you want to join using internet audio? I don't. If you join with audio, you're going to get crazy feedback, so cancel that option. Now, these double screens, obviously, they're going to confuse you. They'd confuse me too. So I'm going to turn off my video on the iPad. Now you just see my face there in the background. And content share. It's another option. Oops, there, where did it go? It's the green arrow up here on the iPad. So content share. Lots of options there to choose from. The simplest, quickest way to share a whiteboard is by whiteboard option on the bottom. And that takes you to Zoom's whiteboard feature. Now, that's what the meeting is seeing here that you get to see on the screen there, and in the background, this is what I'm looking at on my iPad. I have my pen here, Apple Pencil, and that's connected, and I can select any color I want, so I'm going to go with a blue pen, and you can nicely write out any formulas or draw diagrams, draw some pictures for your class. You have the option on the lower right corner of the iPad to share, to save into your photos these screens. You could also be recording the screen down here as well on Zoom on the main meeting. So I'm going to get out of this now. Sometimes it's tricky to find out where to get out. It's the top arrow down actually. There's right in the center of the iPad screen. You can bring back your menus that way. I could stop sharing. Here I am. I'm going to leave the meeting, and I hope that maybe that helped somebody out there able to help you with using the iPad as a whiteboard during your class. And of course, I would usually probably just have it down here where I can write on it like a pencil and paper in real life. So I hope that helps somebody. Good luck. And I hope actually the first method helps. And if that doesn't, second method might not help. This is the quick safety backup. Okay, bye. End meeting for all. Why am I ending the meeting? I should be ending the QuickTime recording of this meeting. Anyway, see you later.